Check out this 2010 Honda CR-V. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable engine driven by an automatic transmission. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Carfax is offered to provide you with peace of mind. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, cruise control, power steering, air conditioning, and for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: traction control, stability control, low tire pressure warning. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.